Splainers, 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 this one's for you. Okay, I'm gonna fix my tent today. So this is the window that goes in the rainfly on the outside. And what happened was I was camping, and I got there in the middle of the night, and it was pouring rain. I set my tent up wrong, and everything got soaking wet, and I didn't really sleep. And it was a cold and rainy weekend in the high peaks region of the Adirondacks. Canoe camping from lake to lake, paddling on the open water, nourishing for the soul. Everything was wet though, and we still had 2 more nights ahead of us, and while we were having a great time, dryness was an abstract memory. Sleeping bag, tent, clothes, all my stuff was wet, and with a gray, drizzly forecast, no sun to dry me out, I needed a miracle. I hung my stuff up to dry, and out of nowhere this wind starts up and it blows hot and heavy for like a half an hour, and then everything got calm and all my stuff was dry. Pretty good, right? I caught this nice fish. My tent got infested with thousands of pine fleas that smell weird when I smush them. Great trip. My tent still kind of smells weird from those bugs. Okay, fixing the tent. So sewing the tent material did not really go well. The nylon is too slippery. The foot of the machine would not advance it, and I tried putting like a backing on so that it would advance the material, but that was just dumb. It just kind of got all tangled up and bad. I would recommend hand sewing if you're gonna try this. And then I added some glue. I bought the glue, I wanted to use the glue, so just thought I'd throw it on there. And finally, to make sure it was waterproof, I added a bunch of tape on both the inside and the outside. So it's dry. Yep, it's perfectly dry. That's a really nice fix there.